Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we have something pretty damn awesome to review. We have this 65-in-1 Hack Edition multi-game card from our friends from China. So in this version we having 65 games that are only hack versions. So in other words, for the people who really clue what it's all about, it's more like homebrew games or games that they modified or improved or just hacked. Alright, so I'm very curious, what are we going to get? But first, the shell itself, it looks pretty nice. It's the American version, and nevertheless, I really like the shell. Yellow transparent, so yellow transparent. And the label itself is a little bit simple, to be honest. If you look at it, it's not very special, but it's a nice high quality sticker. So at the back, we're having this important sticker. And you can see this thing has a save function, so that is very interesting. We can see some information on the chips. Alright, let's take a close look at the multi-card itself. I'm very curious what kind of games we have on it, and yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so this is the main menu. I have seen it before, but I really like these menus. I think this is more like the next generation of multi-game cards. This great menu remembers, by the way, the last played game, so that's also very cool. So this is the Hack Edition, Super Mario Bros. And this is more like, this is really cool. I personally have played these Super Mario World boss episodes. We're going to take a close look at it later. What is this Super Mario World? A lot of Super Mario World on this. A lot of versions. Sanrio World Smash. Okay. I'm guessing these dark blue are more, I think these are the save function games, so that is pretty cool that they divide those. As a fighter, easy move. Oh, that is something we're going to try out. Oh, certainly, we're going to try that out. But this is something that is a little bit of a bummer, to be honest. We're only having a couple of hack games. What do you think of this? Leave it in the comments. They call it the Hack Edition. Yes, we have hack games, okay, but there are some other multi-game cards that have it too, but it's not full of hack games. So that's something I'm thinking now. I'm thinking, Super Donkey Kong 1, 2, 3, to be honest, I really don't know. Alright, let's try some games. I'm very curious about these Super Mario World boss games. Alright, so let's see what they're going to bring us. Welcome to the Endless Boss, where you mythic monsters had taken over the world. Come to save us, Mario. What the heck, you? Alright, so this is the main menu. Very funny. You can just skip to other castles. That is pretty weird, to be honest. Really weird. Alright. See what? The true power of Kirby? What just happened? Did I supposed to be fighting Kirby? So that's it. What the hell is going on with this game? What is this? Alright, so this is the Super Donkey Kong Country one. be honest, I have really no clue what is the difference with the orange one. No. No. Something here different? No. Super battle? Okay. I'm so curious now. It says super move. Easy move. I have really no clue what's easy about. I don't see the difference. No. Oh. What just happened? It's glitching out. It can be my system, but this is not normal. Let's play some old school games. Let's play Pac-Man. So we have this multi-game card with hack games and we just Pac-Man on it. This is a really horrible version of Pac-Man, to be honest. It's got a really funny soundtrack. Alright, so let's play a little bit of Smash TV. No. No. One. I love this soundtrack so much. I really like this game. More like shoot 'em up in area shoot 'em up. Oh yeah! Oh, grab. Yes. The bingo. Oh yeah. Alright people, for the final conclusion about the 65-in-1, or in other words the Hack Edition. I'm slightly disappointed. Now you're thinking, Wicked, why are you disappointed? It's pretty damn simple. So if you're showing me this, 65 games, so this is a smaller amount of games, Hack Edition. So I was hoping for we getting 65 hacked games. I don't know, to be honest, if there are 65 hacked games out there. There are even this big amount. But still, if you're putting this Hack Edition on it, then make sure you're putting all of the game hack games. So for example, let's make it 35 games and make it 35 hack games. Now we're having this, sure, let's say the half is more like hack games and the other half is more like Final Fight. Still great games, but we can't find them on other multi-game cards. And if you already bought one of these collections, you already have them. So, but the hack games itself are pretty funny. Even a part that you need to fight Kirby. Seriously, what the hell is going on? Funny. If you're collecting these multi-game cards, maybe it's a fun thing for your collection. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. Want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, because you get a notification for new videos. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.